Assalamualaikum and welcome back Year 5 students. For today's lesson, we will be talking about asking for permission. Let's start. Our aim for today's lesson is for you to be able to ask for permissions to do things. Now, to do what? We are going to be looking at it later. Okay, these are the things that you will need for today's lesson. The first one would be your handout. Unit 3, English Plus 1, Students Book 38. If you look at the top of your handout, dekat atas, there will be writings like that. Ada tulisan tu, Unit 3, English Plus 1, Students Book 38. Next, you are going to need pencil, color pencil, eraser if you make a mistake, and a red pen for you to mark. And you also need a camera later. Why would you need a camera? Okay, later you will know why you need a camera. Asking for permission, minta izin. Why do we ask for permission? What is why? Kenapa? Kenapa kita minta izin? To show respect to the person we are asking from. Untuk tunjukkan kita hormat, to show respect. That's why you only ask permission from people that you supposed to show respect to. Your parents, your teachers, your grandparents, older people normally. You don't usually ask permission from your friends. Who do we ask permission from? Kita minta izin dengan siapa? Okay, teachers, okay, like me, and your parents, mak ayah awak. Okay, normally people yang lebih tua, older than you. Okay, let's begin with our exercise 1. Look at these places in the boxes. Which of these places do you usually ask for permission? Dekat mana awak minta izin? Color the correct boxes. Now remember, you should pause the video while you do the exercise. Buat dulu, pause, dah siap, then you can play again. Okay, go. Okay, let's check your answers. Where would we ask for permission? Dekat mana kita nak minta izin? Okay, at home, dekat rumah. Do we ask permission at home? In a shop, dekat kedai. In a park, dekat taman. At school, dekat sekolah. Now, where would we ask permission? Dekat mana kita minta izin? Remember who we ask permission from. Okay, so the answers would be at home. Yes, because you ask for permissions from your parents. And also at school, because you also ask permissions from your teachers. Okay, if you got that correct, tick with your red pen. Good job. Let's continue. Now look at this picture. This is a picture from your English Plus 1 Students Book, page 38. Okay, there are two people. There's Lottie, the girl, and also her dad, ayah dia. What do you think they are talking about? Agak-agak dia tengah cakap pasal apa? They look like they're talking, right? Okay, let's continue with your exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the words from the boxes. Okay, you are going to isi tempat kosong with words from the boxes. Now, before we start, let's go through the word list from the boxes first. Let's go through the phrases in the boxes together. Okay, kita tengok dulu ada apa dalam kotak tu. It's really good. What do you think it means? Dia best lah ataupun dia bagus lah. Next. Watch TV later. What does it mean by later? Sekarang. Nanti. Tengok TV nantilah. Watch that wildlife program on TV. Tengok wildlife. What is wildlife? Hidupan liar. Program on TV. This person is maybe like Munajat. He likes wildlife. Alright. And the last one is it's time for dinner. Dah sampai waktu makan malam. Okay. Got all that? Are you ready to put it into the correct places? Okay. Alright, this is your exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the words from the boxes. Gunakan ayat-ayat yang kita dah bincangkan tadi and put it in the correct spaces. Remember, you should pause while you do the exercise. Okay, pause. Pause sekarang. Buat dulu. If you are done, then you can play the video again. Okay, dah siap? Are you done? Can we check your answers? Okay, now take out your red pen for you to mark your paper. Okay, ready? Alright. Lottie says, Dad, yes, is it okay if I watch that wildlife program on TV? If you have that correct, put a tick on your paper right now. Okay, nak tulis dekat mana? Dekat tepi ni boleh. Okay, dekat sini pun boleh. Alright. No, I'm afraid you can't. But Dad, why not? It's really good. It's really good. Again, if you have that correct, put a tick. I'm sorry, but it's time for dinner. Dah waktu makan malam lah, tak payah tengok TV. Okay, it's time for dinner. If you have that correct, again, put a tick on it. Oh, okay. Can I watch TV later then? Okay, boleh tengok nanti tak? Okay, watch later. Yes, of course you can. Great, thanks, Dad. Okay. Put a tick on all of your answers if you got that correct. And like usual, if you got all correct, draw a star on it. Jing, jing, jing. Okay, let's continue. Now look at your exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with the words from the boxes. You are going to do the same thing again. Akan buat benda yang sama, guna soalan yang sama, but this time the answers will be different. Jawapan dia lain pula. Okay, so before you can do your exercise 3, let's look at the phrases in the boxes together to help you understand and answer your questions better. Okay, let's look at them. Alright, the first phrase. I think you've got homework. Saya rasa awak ada kerja sekolah kan? Go to the cinema with Hana. Cinema, what is cinema? Panggung wayang. Hana is maybe a friend. Nak pergi tengok wayang dengan Hana lah. Go at the weekend. What is weekend? Weekend. So, hujung minggu, meaning Sabtu or Ahad. Okay, Saturday or Sunday. And the last phrase would be, that's a really good film. Tapi ada movie best lah. Maybe Lottie is asking her dad to go watch a movie. Okay, let's look at the questions now. Okay, this is the same question, but you are going to write different answers this time. Okay, and remember you should Pause while you do the exercise. Dah siap? Then you can play the video again. Okay, go. Do. What? Are you done? Okay, good job. Okay, let's check your answers. Alright, Dad. Yes. Is it okay if I go to the cinema with Hannah? Nak pergi tengok wayang dengan Hannah boleh tak? Okay, if you have that correct, put a tick on your paper. No, I'm afraid you can't. But Dad, why not? That's a really good film. Kenapa tak boleh? Ada cerita best lah. Okay, if you have that correct, put a tick on your answer. I'm sorry, but I think you've got homework. Tak boleh lah. Tapi awak kan ada kerja sekolah. Ayah dia cakap. Okay, so if you have that correct, again put a tick on it. And the last one is, oh, okay, can I go at the weekend then? Boleh saya pergi hujung minggu? Okay, a tick if you're correct. And the dad says, yes, of course you can. Mestilah boleh je pergi hujung minggu. Great, thanks Dad. Okay, and again, if you have all that correct, draw a star on your paper. Jajang. Good job. Let's continue with your handout. Okay, let's look at key phrases, kata-kata kunci. Requesting permission, minta izin. Okay, what do you say when you are requesting permission? You say, can I? Boleh tak saya? Or is it okay? Boleh tak? Like you used to ask for permission from me at school. Teacher, can I go to the toilet? Is it okay if I drink water? Okay? Alright, next. Giving permission, bagi izin. Okay, when you give permission, bila teacher nak bagi izin or your parents want to give permission, we say, yes, boleh lah. Sure, okay, alright. And the last one, refusing permission, tak nak bagi, we say no. Okay, so how do we say no? Okay, later we'll look at how I say no. Okay, let's continue with your handout. Look at exercise 4. Write down the answers suitably. Tuliskan jawapan yang sesuai. Okay, let's go through the words in the boxes first. You're always on the computer. Asyik-asyik duduk main komputer. Next one. Go to a friend's house. Pergi rumah kawan. Nak pergi rumah siapa? Watch TV. Tengok TV. Use the computer. Guna komputer. It's late and you've got school tomorrow. Dah lambat lah. Awak tu sekolah esok. And the last one. You need to help with the housework now. Awak kan kena tolong buat kerja rumah sekarang. Okay, so these are your answer choices. Put them in the correct boxes. Always remember, pause while you do the exercise. Dah siap? You can play and check your answers. Okay, let's check your answers. Okay, the first part, requesting permission, minta izin. Okay, let's look at the answer. Is it okay if I or we go to a friend's house? Boleh tak saya nak pergi rumah kawan? Is it okay if I or we watch TV? Boleh tak saya nak tengok TV? And the last one is, can I or we or you use the computer? Boleh tak kita orang nak guna komputer? Okay, so for number 1, 2 and 3, you can use any of them. Boleh pakai mana-mana je. Okay, meaning boleh tukar-tukar. Ni duduk dekat nombor 2 ke, nombor 2 duduk kat nombor 3 ke, nombor 3 duduk kat nombor 1 ke, it's okay. Okay, these phrases are used to for the requesting permission. Okay, so dia duduk kat nombor berapa, tak apa. As long as dia duduk dekat requesting permission. Okay, let's continue. Refusing permission. Refusing permission. I'm sorry, but you're always on the computer. Saya minta maaf, tapi awak ni asyik-asyik dekat komputer je. Ataupun mak marah. Mak bukan tak nak bagi, tapi awak ni asyik main komputer je. Macam tu kan? And then, I'm sorry, but it's late and you've got school tomorrow. Minta maaf lah, tapi ni dah lambat. Awak kan nak sekolah esok. Abah tak bagi main game. Abah minta maaf, tapi dah lambat kan? Kamu nak pergi sekolah esok. Kamu sekolah esok. Ni tak, main game. Lepas tu pagi tak bangun. Lepas tu sengih-sengih kerja tak siap. Ish. Last one. I'm sorry, but you need to help with the housework now. Awak kan kena tolong buat kerja rumah sekarang. Sibuk nak pergi main kat luar pula. Macam tu. Okay, so again, number 4 ni, number 5 and number 6 ni dia duduk dekat mana pun tak apa. As long as dia duduk dekat refusing permission. Alright, let's continue. Exercise 5. Okay, last one dah. Okay, for this exercise, you are going to need your camera. Camera phone awak ke, camera phone mama ke, camera phone abah ke, it's fine. Okay, you are going to jing, tada, camera. Tapi pakai camera phone je lah, tak payah pakai kamera tu. Last task. Okay, record a video of yourself asking permission. Minta izin for this and send the video to me. Hantar dekat teacher. Dekat mana? Dekat Telegram lah. Okay. Take a 5-minute break. Teacher, may I take a 5-minute break? Teacher, can I take a 5-minute break? Is it okay if I take a 5-minute break? Drink water. Yang ni awak dah biasa dah dalam kelas kan. Suka, teacher, can I drink water? Is it okay if I drink water? And last one is go to the toilet. Teacher, can I go to the toilet? Or you can ask from your mom. Or is that weird? Okay, no, just record yourself je lah. Teacher, can I go to the toilet? Is it okay if I go to the toilet? Okay, so record yourself asking for permission of these 3 things. Hantar dekat teacher so I can do your PBD. So I can letak markah for you. Okay, don't forget hantar to my Telegram. Hantar today tau. Today. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.